Flying robots that can dock in space in midair, I think, is pretty rare. I think this is probably the only flying robots that can do that.
It's like Tetris, but in 3D.
Today, we're testing the robots to see how well they can dock together in midair and carry objects.
Mark Yim and his students have done something very new with drones.
I thought it was actually somewhat of a crazy idea because it's very, very difficult, but they decided to do it and it turned out to be quite exciting.
How many batteries do you need?
2 batteries.
Bruno Gabbridge and David Saldana used their engineering skills to turn this idea into reality.
This project is called ModQuad, so they're modular quadrotors that dock together.
The drones connect with magnets.
In today's experiment, we are going to try to build two structures, a U shape and a P shape.
The U shape, we're going to have 7 robots total, and the P shape, we're going to have 5 robots.
Having multiple flying robots docked together is actually very difficult.
Each drone is autonomous, and when they snap together, they form one big robot.